Hi, this is Dr. Scott Boden with the Hair Restoration Center of Connecticut, and I wanted to talk with you about my transgender patients. There are a number of patients that I've had over the years that have transitioned from male to female, and for those patients, the reconstruction or the development of a feminized hairline can make a world of difference in terms of how they present to the world. Many of these patients may have undergone gender confirmation surgery, and yet their hairline represents what the world sees and how they present themselves. These patients are extremely gratifying for me to treat, and they're very grateful patients because it really can be transformational. I think the photos convey a feeling of joy, and for this patient and many of my other transgender patients, it is a full confirmation of their sense of self. At the Hair Restoration Center of Connecticut, every patient is treated with utmost confidentiality and compassion, and I take great pride in bringing expertise and careful attention to detail to every patient with the aim of meeting their goals.